You know, so guys don't really admit so them listen to certain and certain song or watch certain and certain girly show because you know we have to keep up the little macho side and the little you know, like so we're hot skull killer all the time. Susan, Young and the Restless, Old and the Beautiful, Powerpuff Girl, Generation, Bad Girls Club, Totally Spies, Notebook. So for most youths while I'm in front of our friends, them listen to songs like this. But you see when them alone, or them in a one like a corner by themselves and them hear them like a favorite girl tune come on, them will break out and start sing like early morning, she wakes up, knock, knock, knock on the I don't know, but if you remember like back in a primary school when like jerking off like a back your fist was like a big taboo thing. Like maybe one of them people there with this very open and proud and say, yeah, I go home and I handle my business. I jerk my donkey. You get me? I choke the chicken and I found how much different ways to say the same thing. But they want to admit to them when they want the chukuni. What it is if you eat like a banana, you admit it is like nothing wrong, eat what you grow. Grow what you eat. Like dudes out there we don't want to really admit them penis size. So it's like them a girl at Skype and all kind of things like that and the girl might ask, you know, so yeah, I work with you get me because you know like most of the time like oh my god I'm kind of afraid like I'm really small. So I don't really want anybody if I just come and open up my floodgates and like that. So you as a guy you know you upon a girl is like, well you know you really want to carry, you know, a 9-inch me up still you know like so you have to work with it. And when it comes down to it, it's not even 9 divided by 3 you have. The world don't know that guys we tend not to be like very emotional creatures who don't really say stuff, but if a guy tells you that he loves you, I'm not talking regular love, I mean like actually see in him eye, it's not an easy thing. He probably realize him love you from January and him now probably go say it until like in a August, December period. For like tell a girl say you love her, it's like I admit say I am opening up myself to be heartbroken by you, and then for a guy we don't want to give you the power there. So for, as long as we can hold on to the words I love you, we can. And when you get the new clocks, guys don't like feel like give out compliments none at all. We like we tell a girl say her body fat and her breast them nice and stiff and firm and all kind of things and she round up a shape like Nicki Minaj and Kim Kardashian combined in a one and still have brought up on top of that. We'll say all of these things but if we give an next youth a compliment or a virgin or something like that we don't do it. If you never realize like girls live very loving, like when peaceful and harmonious and everything nice over there. So when a girl like give a compliment, she will like say, oh Sonia, oh Maxine, geez, you know, so the panty there really bring out your eyes, like, you know, you're really a work the piece of brassiere and the panty there. No, and you see if it's a guy now, a guy giving a compliment, we're not going to just do it just so. We don't compliment the guy now, we compliment the item. So we say, yo, the shoes, the shot. We are not, no point, we're not going to make it look as if the guy is bringing off the shoes or the guy is really doing anything to make the shoes look good. We're going to say, yo, they are that hard, they are that tough. That! We're not going to say you may not look good, we're going to say that it, same thing there. Man, a long distance to love. We don't like to admit that we don't have the skills or the talent to really do something. We'll try and then feel humiliate ourselves and make you laugh after it before we actually admit and kind of fess up so we can't do it. Yeah, guys love give away a tough chat for no reason. I was like, oh, you know, so me I still like, yeah, I can't have sex for like 5 hours straight. I mean, no stop. And then when it comes down to it, you know, before the show, if you come back from commercial break, we're done. And go and sleep. So that's it, peeps. Thank you so much for watching another Dirty Berry show. Make sure that you subscribe, you like, and you share, and you comment. And you check out all of my blogs and everything that the information down below. Alright, until next time, take care. Oh.